Open statement from the customer ledger. It creates a formal account summary. See entries, totals, running balances, and the closing balance together. Download the PDF and review its pages. Headings and page numbers repeat clearly. Share the PDF from the merchant's own WhatsApp or share sheet after reviewing it. Set an expiry for customer access. Keep the shared address hidden in the recording. Rotate creates fresh access. Revoke and enable give immediate control. Check the result in a clean customer window. After revoke, the view is unavailable.